What if I told you the secret to faster growth in today's digital world is to give away your best ideas? For free? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the surprising truth. Free content isn't just about generosity. It's one of the most powerful growth strategies in the creator economy. And in this video, I'll show you why sharing free content can actually build your brand, attract loyal followers, and skyrocket your business growth. Welcome to Techfee, where we discuss digital marketing, content creation, and innovative strategies for small businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs. If you're looking for content creation tips, content marketing strategies, or want to learn how to build a strong brand online, you're in the right place. Why free content works? Trust and authority. When you share free content, whether it's a blog, social media post, or video, you position yourself as an authority. People trust those who teach and give value first. Brand strategy. In today's creator economy, brand loyalty comes from connection. Free content creates the connection before money is ever involved. Real life example. Think about HubSpot or Neil Patel. Their free blogs, guides, and tutorials drive millions of visitors, and those visitors eventually become paying customers. Types of free content that drive growth. Content creation for beginners. Start simple: tutorials, blog posts, infographics, or even Instagram Reels. Don't overcomplicate. Content for social media. Quick tips, behind the scenes, case studies. These bite-sized ideas are perfect for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Video content strategy. YouTube tutorials like this one are amazing for long-term growth. Your videos can be discovered months or even years later. Content marketing examples. Free ebooks, templates, or checklists. These not only educate, but also build your email list for future marketing. The content marketing principles behind giving free value. Principle 1. Attract before you sell. People don't buy products, they buy trust. Free content builds that trust. Principle 2. Consistency is key. One viral post won't change your life. A consistent content marketing strategy is what compounds growth. Principle 3. Free doesn't mean worthless. Your best free content should be so good that people think, if this is free, imagine what their paid service looks like. How free content leads to monetization. Content monetization application. Free content builds the audience. That audience can later be monetized through consulting, affiliate marketing, online courses, or digital products. Content marketing for small businesses. Local businesses can use free guides, blogs, and videos to bring in customers. For example, a small bakery sharing free recipes on Instagram can see real-world sales increase. Content marketing versus digital marketing. Digital marketing is the bigger umbrella. Content marketing is the engine that drives digital strategies like SEO, email, and social media. So, the surprising impact of free content is this. It builds trust, authority, and a loyal audience that's ready to support you when you offer paid services or products. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your brand grow faster than you ever imagined. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, thumbs up emoji, subscribe to the channel, bell emoji, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you are using free content for growth. And don't forget to visit our website www.techfee.com for more powerful digital marketing and content marketing tips. See you in the next video.